Hello everyone. As a leader in the field of butt welding machine production, we are proud to recommend our large-size butt welding machines. Our large-size hot melt butt fusion welding machines are specifically designed to handle large work pieces, making them the perfect solution for industries ranging from manufacturing to others. Our large butt fusion welding machines feature advanced control systems to ensure precise control of temperature, pressure, and speed for optimal welding results. Carefully designed structures and materials guarantee long-term stable operation of the equipment, providing reliable support for your production line. Their outstanding performance and reliable operation make them an indispensable part of your factory.